Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be using magnetic printable sticker vinyl. I'll be using A4 sheets that are 8.5 by 11 inches. This package contains 10 matte sheets. These sheets are designed to be used with inkjet printers. These magnetic printable sheets allow users to print vibrant images, text, or graphics directly onto their surface. Each sheet features a thin, strong magnetic layer that sticks securely to metallic surfaces, such as refrigerators, lockers, whiteboards, or filing cabinets. Resistant to curling, tearing, or edge fraying, ensuring the printed materials maintain their quality over time. You can create any design you like and cut it easily with scissors or craft cutters. Ideal for DIY fridge magnets, classroom materials, photo displays, marketing tools, and creative crafts. And let's head over to Design Space. On the browser, I'll be typing in magnetic frames. Scrolling down, I like this fridge magnets, so I'll select it. This is a project by Mary Ann Penn. I'll be selecting Edit a Copy. And here we have it. I'll be selecting Make. And you can save it as a project. In my case, I won't. And we can see that this will be 2 pages project. Good thing I decided to edit this project. Otherwise, we would have needed 2 sheets. I'll be moving a couple of things from this project. I really like this word home, so I'll keep that. I'll be selecting the first page project, and I'll be getting rid of this word. Select the 3 dots and select Hide Selected. Now, let's go to the second page project, select Move Object, and select the first page so we can move it to the first page. And let's move our elements a little bit just so they're not too close one with the other. This way they don't interfere when cutting. Let's go to the second page and select Move Object so we can take it to page 1. And once it's there, just rearrange to make it fit. You want to make sure each element doesn't interfere with the other. In other words, make sure not to overlap each element. As you can see here, it's overlapping, so I will have to get rid of it. I'll be keeping the home, words, and I'll delete the family. You can do that by selecting the element and then going to these 3 dots and hide. Rearrange it a little bit and then continue. Send to printer. Select Next. If you have more than one printer, make sure to select the printer. You can keep Add Bleed On or turn it off. I'll turn it off. And I'll select System Dialog. And select Print. Depending on the printer, you will get a box behind of Design Space. Select the box. And once you're here, go to Media and Quality. Select it. Select Best and then Print. Once you're here, you will need to confirm the machine you're using. Once you're here, set Base Material. Select Browse All Materials. On the browser, let's write Magnet. This way we can see our options. I'll be selecting Printable Magnetic Sheet. And once you select it, select on the bottom, Done. All right, we're ready to print our project. And after printing, we can go ahead and cut our project. And since this is a magnetic sheet, it's a little bit thick, I'll be using a strong grit mat. In this corner, we have a little arrow, so we'll line it up here. That lets us know how our project should be aligned so that it can be cut correctly. You can also look on your computer how it appears on Design Space. To make sure it sticks to the mat, I'm using a brayer. And after that, let's take our project to cut. Another thing I want to mention is before unloading your mat, check to make sure the cut went through. And if it didn't, just press the play button on your machine again and it will cut. The setting I used worked perfectly. But remember, every machine cuts different. I gotta say, this is too easy to weed. One thing I like about this project is we didn't waste any material. The person who created this project made sure to put the little paws inside the picture frames. And this way we didn't waste any material. We used it all up. I really like the colors they used as well. I really like how sharp the colors look. Just look at this. Now let's just remove the inside pieces. Look at how easy this is. Here's our picture frame. This is the bigger one. And these are the two smaller frames. Let me just take them apart. There's one. And there's the other. There's our two frames. Now to remove the little paws. These are so cute. I really like them. And now let me take the little hearts apart. There's so many cute frames you can create for your fridge with this material. And here's my pictures. Now to fit them in here. This is going to be so stinking cute. To make sure my pictures stay in the middle of the picture frame, I'll be taping them down. I'm just using some regular transparent tape. And here's the picture. Now I'll do the other two with my little puppy's pictures. I'll put some transparent tape on this as well. Although you don't really need to put tape, I'm just a little bit extra. Make sure your pictures are a little bit smaller than your picture frame. This way it's not covering the magnet, so it can stick to your fridge. All right, we're ready to go put them on the fridge. I gotta say, they came out really stinking cute. I love the fact that I can print anything I want on this magnetic printable sticker vinyl. This is an A+ for me. And in case you're wondering, this magnetic printable sticker vinyl sticks on the fridge perfectly. So if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.